Kutna.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to install operating system to external device. Here, first, to install an operating system through external disk, you have to insert an external disk to your PC. So I have inserted my memory card with my card reader and I connected to PC. Select the external device, that is memory card. Then click on it. Then you will find an option. First you have to go for memory card. Then right click on it. Then you will find an option format. Click on it. Then you have one pop-up box. In that pop-up box, select file system as. By default, it has FAT32. Select it as NTFS. Then click start. Then your external device gonna format. Click OK. Then my memory card is going to format in NTFS file system. Mainly to install an operating system in machine, we have to format it as NTFS. Please be patient. My device is going to format. After completing the format, you have to select the required Windows ISO file from the PC. From my PC I have many operating systems. In that I am gonna select one file. Look here, my format is completed. Close the dialog box. Then go to my stuff. Then go to operating systems. Here we have many files. In that select Windows and Ultimate Service Pack 1 file. In this you have ISO file. Right click on it. Go to WinArchiver. Then select Mount Archive to Drive F No Media. Click on it. Then see on right side you have found CD drive F Windows 7X. It is an operating system ISO file. It consists of Windows files. This is a drive. In this drive we have Windows operating system files. We have to copy that files to memory card. Open it. Right click on it. Open. Then you have 8 files. Select all. Then copy it. Copy and then go to the memory card and paste it. After completion of copying, install it to your machine as per the CD. Thank you. Stop.